This is the installation parts kit. First, we have our stud paper. This is used to draw the studs on the paper so you know when the panel's up where to screw in. Next, this is our seam tape that's white. Next, these are our low profile screws, and we also provide a Torx head bit. Next, this is our magic powder Invisi-Seam. This is mixed up with your paint, and this covers the tape. Next, these are three separate things. So there are 3 mixing cups. You get free stirring sticks and then applicator brushes. Next is flex glue that's white. This is used to fill the screw holes. Next is a spacer to space out the low profile screws. And finally, once your wall is complete, these are a 6-pack of hollow wall drywall anchors. These will hold up to 60 pounds each for you to be able to hang stuff on your new ViteWall. This is our cutting tools kit. The first thing that's included is a 14 pocket apron. This is a carpet knife. This is what we use to cut the ViteWall panels. This is a yellow Sureform shaver. Some people call it a cheese grater. And this is used to clean up any edges of the ViteWall panel. Next is a carpet knife. This is used to notch out the ViteWall panel around light switch or electrical outlets. A black marker. This is used to mark the panels when cutting. These are 2 spring clamps. These hold the straight edge, which is a long piece of metal. And this straight edge is clamped to the ViteWall panel, and then the blade runs along the straight edge. Our safety kit has 3 items. There's a set of polycarbonate safety glasses. There are 4 one-size-fits-all. They're extra large vinyl gloves. And then there's 1 N95 particulate respirator face mask.